Cat Warriors by Maja. Maja. ThunderClan. Leader, Blue Star. Deputy, Redtail, Medicine Cat, Spotted Leaf. Warrior, Tiger Claw, River Clan. Leader, Crookstar. Deputy, Oakheart. A full moon glowed in the smooth night sky, wolves were howling deep in the night. Tiger Claw was out in the middle of the night. Spotted Leaf screamed. Tiger Claw, have it now or you'll get very sick. It was too late. Tiger Claw was already sick. Came into Spotted Leaf. Spotted Leaf, help me. Tiger Claw trembled. I will, responded Spotted Leaf. After Tiger Claw was fine, Spotted Leaf scolded him. Never ever again you will go out in the middle of the night. You hear me, Tiger Claw? Yes, and for Tiger Claw. After that, Spotted Leaf let Tiger Claw back out. After Tiger Claw was fine, Spotted Leaf scolded him. Never ever again you will go out in the middle of the night. You hear me, Tiger Claw? Yes, and for Tiger Claw. After that, Spotted Leaf let Tiger Claw back out. He walked a while until he saw a silhouette. Hello, old friend. Tiger Claw was surprised. Who's there? He yelled. Me, don't you remember, Tiger Claw? He heard in the shadows. I said, who's there? You really don't remember. Me, Crooked Star. Crooked Star, I should have known it was you, Tiger Claw hollered. Only one thing to do. Fight, yelled Crooked Star. Crooked Star leaped. Only Blue Star leaped in and took the hit, saving Tiger Claw. Thank you, Blue Star, boomed Tiger Claw. You're welcome. Tiger Claw replied Blue Star. Oh, you need Spotted Leaf. Stay here, I'll get Spotted Leaf, okay, Blue Star? Tiger Claw shouted. Okay, responded Blue Star. So Spotted Leaf came and